Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Shoki Alif Ibrahim. Usually I call myself and my friend as Alif. Today I have an interesting topic that I would like to talk about. It is one of my favorite software that I have in my laptop. So the one I'm gonna talk about is how's the software is about and what's inside of it, what is the usage, what's the feature, and where even I know about this software. Alright, so let's get started. The software that I would like to talk about is called Visual Studio Code, aka a code editor from a worldwide community. This software it's really known from programmers and developers. So in Visual Studio Code, it's always updates to the latest features like this one. It has been updated to a new version, and also it is very known in a global community of programmers. So how do I use it? It's literally a basic code editor where you can code anything to build your stuff, to build your websites, or maybe build your applications and then publish it into maybe Google Play Store or even into the web. And also in this app particularly have uh, some of the good features. Like for example, we can do a Git features inside of the code editor, like cloning, pulling, pushing, or do something even complex like merging or maybe doing like forking. Maybe some of you don't know what is that, but in nutshell, it just like have a features that is linked to GitHub. As like we all know as programmers, GitHub is one of the main repository of one of the main uh, programs in website that we use in every day. And also it has some extensions which has tons and tons or a lot of extensions. it it's also recommending have some recommendation from the community or maybe from the official itself, like a Docker and a GitHub Copilot. But just for now, I just have some Pythons in here. And then also, in this code editor, it has an automatic and built-in runner. Using this extension, like the Python, it will automatically create a program from the Python codes, like just clicking this button and then you will get the result of the code. But for now, I'm just here saying about my software. And and then the advantage from all the software, from other software, I mean, beside the Visual Studio Code is first of all, it has a lot of extensions more than other code editor have. Let's say from the JetBrains, it has not much like in the Visual Studio Code, and also let's say Sublime Text. The Sublime Text is also very good for some developers, but still the Visual Studio Code has more advantages because it has more features and it has more reliable and effective. But also it has some disadvantages from the other software, like maybe it's taking too much RAM or storage, and also it's kind of a little bit heavy for a low-end spec PC or laptop. And then that's all for the Visual Studio Code that I have. And thank you for your all attention. That brings me for today. So yeah, guys, see you later and goodbye.